Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to solve Java runtime command error. That means here I write a simple hello world code and run the command line for output. Javac class name dot java and run. Javac is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. How to solve this problem? Go to Chrome and install x64msi installer. Install. After install, double click. Next, see the path, install path. Next, and yes. Close. Go to this PC. This PC. Right click. Properties. Advanced system settings. Environment variable. And here the path. JDK path. New. C. Program files. Java JDK bin. Copy. Here write the path and paste. Okay. CMD. Javac enter. Okay. Now properly install JDK in my system and run this code. Javac class name dot java and java and class name. Okay. You can install JDK file, then your problem is solved. Okay, thank you.